class on areas. Children, today we are going to draw a triangle equal to the area of a regular pentagon. First of all, you have to draw a regular pentagon and then you have to construct a triangle equal to the area of a regular pentagon. I will show you how to draw a regular pentagon. Before that, you should know the sum of angles of a regular pentagon. You know, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now come to a four-sided figure. Sum of all angles in a four-sided figure is 2 into 180, which is equal to 360 degree. Sum of angles of a pentagon will be equal to 540 degree. How did you get this 540? It is because a pentagon can be divided into 3 triangles. Sum of angles of one triangle 180. For a quadrilateral 2 into 180 360. For a pentagon it is 3 into 180 540 degree. From that we are finding each angle of a regular pentagon. It will be 540 divided by 5, which is equal to 108 degree. Now come to the construction. Draw a line AB of any measure. See, I have drawn a line AB for 7 centimeter. Then what I should do? I have to measure 108 degree at both the vertices A and B. Use your protractor. Keep your protractor at A and measure 108 degree. So here 108 degree I have marked. Now this angle is 108 degree. Keep your protractor at B and measure 108. See, keep your protractor at B. Your protractor rests on this line. So start counting from here 0, 10, 20. You get 108 somewhere here. Join it. Now we know each side I am going to take a 7 centimeter. So keep your compass at A. Cut an arc for 7 centimeter. Similarly at B, cut an arc for 7 centimeter. So this measure I have taken in my compass and 2 arcs are cut at the points. So let us name this point as C. One more point you will get, that is D, and this point is E. Got the points C and also E. Now keep your compass at C and E. Either you measure the same length and cut 2 arcs, otherwise measure 108 degree at both points. You will be able to draw a regular pentagon. I am using the same measure, the measure which I took here. Keep it at E, cut an arc. Keep it at C, cut one more arc. They intersect at the point D. Join it, you will get a regular pentagon. Now, A, B, C, D, E is a regular pentagon. We are going to draw a triangle equal to the area of this. For getting a triangle, what we do is, first of all, join D to A and also D to B. Use your scale and join D to A. Let us join D to A and also join D to B. Now extend the side AB to both ends. Extend AB on both sides. AB is extended on the right side. AB is extended to the left also. Now we are going to use our idea. All triangles with the same base and third vertex on a line parallel to the base have the same area. So, through C, draw a line parallel to BD. Parallel to BD, we are going to draw a line through C. So, you can easily draw it. Now, parallel to this, I am drawing a line through C. I have drawn a line through C. Let me name this point as some F. Similarly, parallel to AD, I am going to draw a line through E. So, use your scale, move your scale in such a way you get a parallel line. You may even use your set square for drawing a parallel line. I am naming this point as G. Now look at this base. BD is the base. Now join D to F. D is joined to F. Similarly, D is joined to G. Now what can you say about the areas of DBC and DFD? They have the same base and their third vertex is on a line parallel to the base. So they have the same area. So instead of BCD, we can also consider BFD. Let me shade this area. Similarly, on the other side, instead of ADE, you can consider the triangle AGD because their base is same and their third vertices are on a line parallel to the base. Let me shade this triangle. So the area of this triangle is equal to the area of the triangle ADE. Now look at the figure. You can see a triangle GFD whose area is equal to that of the regular pentagon ABCDE. Hope it is clear to you. Now we are asked to find the area also. To find the area, we know the formula. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. For us, GF is the base. A perpendicular drawn from D to the base gives you the height. Measure GF and also measure the perpendicular height and find the area. From D to the base, I am drawing a perpendicular line and I am naming this as H. Now to get the area of triangle GFD. Area of triangle GFD is equal to the area of the pentagon ABCDE. Area of the triangle is equal to half into the base. Base is GF into height. That is equal to half into, let me measure the length. For me, the measure is G to F. G to F is more than 15 for me. 16 centimeter. So, half into 16 into perpendicular height. From D to this point, I am getting 10.4. Now cancel 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. Multiply these two numbers. 8 4s are 32, 3 balance, 1 8 is 8. So area of the pentagon will be equal to 83.2 square centimeter. Come to the second idea, children. Here we are talking about triangle division. Look at the statement. A line from the vertex of a triangle divides the length of the opposite side and the area of the triangle in the same ratio. We are going to prove a line drawn from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side divides the area of the triangle and the bases in the same ratio, for which I have drawn a triangle ABC. AB's measure is 9 cm for me. AD is 3 cm. The small triangle I have shaded for you to understand. Now let us find the area of the smaller triangle ADC. How do you find the area of the smaller triangle ADC? You know, area of a triangle is always half into base into height. For this triangle and also for the bigger triangle ABC, you have a common height. I will show you the height. A perpendicular drawn from C to the base is going to be the height. See, this is the height. This is the height for both triangles ADC as well as ABC. Let me mark this point as E. First of all, I am going to write the area of smaller triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC is equal to half into base. Base is AD. For me, AD is 3 cm. So I am writing 3 into H. Okay. Let us consider the bigger triangle ABC. How do you get its area? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base is AB. For me, AB is 9 cm. So let me write 9 into H. H I have not measured. We know it is going to be the same. Now let us divide area of the smaller triangle by area of the bigger triangle. So here again you get 1 by 2 into 3 into H divided by 1 by 2 into 9 into H. Half is the common term which can be cancelled. H is also the common term that also can be cancelled. So what did you get now? You are getting 3 by 9. That is equal to 1 divided by 3. So what can you say about the area now? Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 is to 3. Is it clear, children? Area of the smaller triangle to the area of the bigger triangle, I got it as 1 is to 3. Now come to the base. Base of the two triangles. Base of the first triangle is AD. Base of the bigger triangle is AB. That is equal to, you get 3 is to 9. If you simplify, that is also equal to 1 is to 3. From this, what did you understand? Ratio of the areas is same as the ratio of the bases. Is the idea clear? Now come to the statement. What was the statement here? A line. So we are talking about this line CD. A line drawn from the vertex of a triangle divides the length of the opposite sides and the area of the triangle in the same ratio. We got bases in the ratio 1:3. Their areas is also in the ratio 1:3. Hope the idea is clear to you. Let us do problems using this idea in our next class. Children, thank you for all the support you give me. Share your valuable suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.